and enthusiast. Welcome to my channel once again. So today again, one more simple, very basic, very simple project. But this project is on some another board. As you can see, I have used a Pico board, that is board, and it is working on Python, that is MicroPython. So here we will discuss what is the project like. So project name is Simple Gesture Control Home Automation IR Sensor. We have used IR sensor and RP2040, that is nothing but the microcontroller which is here on the board, as well as, and why this it is important. We'll discuss about those things first. So it's a creative idea for beginners. So how it works: IR gesture, proximity swipe method. Swipe means you move around your hand left and right. That is we call a swipe method. OLED display plus relay LED control with MicroPython. The language, the program is a MicroPython. This project uses IR sensor, right? Two IR sensors are here, and simple and low cost alternative for APD is 9960. That is your gesture control sensor, we call it as. So very simple sensor we are using, that is IR sensor, instead of the costly sensor that is APD 9960. So detect hand gesture, that is when you move your hand left to right or right to left. Accordingly, your lights you can see here, and the relay also. And also you will see here that the states change. The light is on, the fan is off, all the states, it will be changing around. So this is our project. We have used my Raspberry Pi Pico board, and the language or the programming codes are in MicroPython. So these are the list of the components what we have used. RP2040, that is, you can use zero board also, you can use a microcontroller board also. Two IR sensors, we have used two IR sensors over here, and one SSD 1306, that is OLED screen, right? Two channel relay, as you can see here, you can see two channel relays are here, jumper wire breadboard, and 5 volt supply. Please remember, I have given two power supplies. So one power supply, that is this battery. It is powering my relays separately, and I am powering this other circuit, all the circuit, with the help of my laptop battery. That means I've given a USB connection. I can separately give another battery also. So working principle: two IR sensor placed side by side detects hand movement direction, that is left to right or right to left. That's what we call it as a gesture, and accordingly it will work. So what is the mapping part? The left swipe, left, that is from left to right, turn on the light, right, turn on the light, right to left, turn off the light, and both sensor, it will start the fan. Okay, so this is very simple. So please remember, you should, while giving connection, you should know the pin connection diagram of your microcontroller board. So I've just given you, and we have used a MicroPython. That's why I have put this figure over here. So I've also given you pin connections, that is, and how the IR pins are connected, where it is to be connected on the Raspberry Pi Pico board, that is this board, and all connections. It will be very simple: two IR and your relay connections, and your disk connection, that is your SSD, that is OLED screen display connection. We have used only one library, that is SSD 1306 PY, that I will show you, and how it will be testing steps, how it will be power on. First, you have to power it on, move hand left to right, as you can see. I will just show you, and then just see what is happening over here. So for beginners or the students who want to use some another microcontroller apart from Arduino, so they can do this project, they can use this project, and at the same time, the same project can be implemented with other projects also, because you are switching the relay with the help of a gesture. So by adding this technology, or by adding the same concept, we can make some other projects also. Just once again, I will show you, I'll give you the demo. How does it work? So you can see here, light on and fan off. So let's put once again, let's see what happens. So light is on, fan is also on. Okay, so let's see once again what happens. So fan is off, light is on. Let's see how it works. That is, both the things are on. You can see LED as well as the relay is also, both the lights have come, and I will try to switch it off, please. One is off, another one will try to off it. Both of them are off now. Okay, so by gesture, you can control the things. Since the light is there, it will not be working. So this battery I have given connection for driving my relays, because it takes more currents. That's why I've used it. So power supply here, two sensors I have kept side by side, two lights indicator, that is different lights for showing you this thing. That means what is operating, whether light or light fan, and whether it is on or off. The relay I can connect from other side, I can connect the real devices. And this is the display where you can see what is the condition. Okay, so RP2040, MicroPython, and two IR sensors. You can use another sensors also, like ultrasonic sensors. For that also, it is also works like a proximity sensor, and you can use and you can make the projects. Once again, I will show you. This is on. So one relay is on, off. Then another. I will try to show you on. Then the gesture. Sometimes it works properly because you should not have both of them are off now. So likewise, you have to be very careful. Please remember the relay and the current supply should be proper so that it will work properly. Okay, now we'll go to the code part. I will just show you, I will explain you about the code parts so that you will understand more of it. So here you can see two files over here. Please remember this is in Thorny ID. Why we use Thorny ID? Why? Because it is the codes are in MicroPython. So we have used Thorny IDE. So you can, for this downloading and all, you can see my previous video. You can go to my channel and search for the previous video where I've explained about those things. Anyhow, so there are two files over here. That is main PY and SSD 1306. As I told you, we are using a display. That is why this 1306.py file is required. You can download this file from this thing, and from anywhere you can get it and you can start doing it. This is my main PY which I will be sharing with you. This is my codes in MicroPython. That is SSD 1306 in the beginning. These are the files which are required. That is the libraries which are required, and the description. That is I2C LED, sorry, I2C OLED IR sensor relay on and off states. What are the states right there and how it will be triggering off. So this is very simple project, and beginners who want to learn MicroPython, as well as the Raspberry Pi Pico boards, which is having RP2040 as a microcontroller. So they can start with this and they can learn a lot. So that is the idea. I hope you liked it. This thing. If you want anything, any other things to be known, please do write in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you soon.